This course is structured differently from our other offerings. Each step in leasing your rental property is designed to be quick, clear, and easy to understand. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive grasp of the entire process, and you'll be well on your way to saving hundreds of dollars in commissions and leasing fees. Let's take a quick look at the curriculum. Section 2. How to find and analyze data to price your rent accurately. Section 3. Different alternatives for advertising your rental, covering both free and paid options, and protecting your online identity. Section 4. Best practices for showing your rental. In Section 5, we look at sources for rental applications, obtaining credit reports, and preparing a lease. Section 6. Understanding security deposits and applicable limitations. Section 7 is decision time, how to evaluate applications and make the best leasing decision. In Section 8, we discuss disclosures. A PDF is available that delineates all the disclosures required in California. In the final step, we go over best practices for turning over the keys. Are you ready to get started?